Good
Hello,
morning, Mr. Gaurav.
how are you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
Very good. Fill this up.
Yes.
Now this is the DHI alopecia test. As I was explaining earlier, probably the most important step in doing the analysis. So classically, it's tested one on the posterior region occiput. As you see there, that shows us all the hair follicles, the roots clearly. One on the side.
Like 3 hair in a bunch.
Yeah. I'll just. This out here is half a square centimeter of your donor area. As you see, these are all the roots, the follicles, as you can see them here.
Yeah.
Now this is a bunch which has, this is a root which has 3 hair.
Okay.
This is another root.
This is one root with 3 hair?
Yes, exactly. Similarly here, this has 3 hair. Okay.
Okay.
This is a root which has 2 hair. Okay. Now if you see this very thin hair out here, this is called a telogen hair. Even the one which you see here. We don't count these because these hair, we don't try and take these hair because they may not grow as well as the other hair.
Okay.
Telogen is the resting phase of the hair follicle.
Oh, okay.
And these, as you see, are the strong hair. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now in your donor, as we see, most of them are 3s.
Mm-hmm.
This shows that it's a very good donor. Okay. Now, of course, I'm not doing a full analysis and full count, as it takes a long time. But just to say that a donor like yours, approximately with this kind of count, would easily be able to do 3 or 4 mega sessions
Oh, okay.
if required. I'm talking about doing over 2,000 hair per session.
Mm-hmm.
So you can easily have that much hair. So that's your donor is excellent.
Alright, okay.
Okay, even if you go bald completely in the future, you have enough hair to restore it. So yes, Gaurav, you're back after 9 months of your first transplant.
Correct.
And as we see, this was what you were 9 months back. As I see today, it's a very, very big difference. I'm quite happy looking at the results.
I'm happy too.
Okay, thank you so much. I think we've done around 1500 hair and it's given us a pretty good result. So what is your opinion? You think you're happy with this, or do you think you want more?
You see, already there's a lot of difference. The hair, I am feeling much better about it because the case was pretty gone, as you see. So there is a wonderful difference that I noticed, and I would like to fill it up also. A little more, because यहाँ पे जो खाली था, definitely this is like grown and this is much better, but I could fill it up more here and here is what I feel.
Okay.
If you think we can.
Sure, let me just have a look. Yes, I think a few hair in the temples here,
Okay.
and a little bit around the hairline. So now we're going to be starting the implantation. As I was just explaining earlier, in the front we mainly put the single hair follicles, the root which has a single hair. Just behind that we put the doubles, and in between all the 3s, which gives you more volume and density. Okay, you never put a 3 in the hairline, which is commonly what many other doctors do, because that's never what is natural here. It may give you a lot of hair, but the hairline should be like a forest because it gets denser as you go in here.
Okay.
So you should never have a very dense hairline and thinning hair on the back. It looks very funny. It looks artificial then.
Okay.
And it defeats the whole purpose of doing something like this. Okay?
Okay. So you're starting with the ones.
No, I'm going to be starting with the 3s and 4s in the center.
Okay.
And then I'll be putting the hairline later.
Alright.
Okay? So as we're talking to him, Gaurav is very comfortable.
Yes, I am.
Yeah? And we're going to start the procedure. Do you feel anything? Do you feel any pain or anything?
No, I don't.
Okay. So we're implanting now the 3s and the 4s in the center. And as you can see, he's very, very comfortable. Unlike the myths which go around that it's very painful and you get a lot of headache and all, he's come back for a second one, so it can never be that bad.
Yeah, actually, because first time when I came, I had a lot of questions.
Yeah.
Like, but now because I've been through it once.
But what are your main apprehensions? Even the first time, could you just share it with us? What did you feel?
First time, I was like, I've never done anything like that. And then, how do you trust people? So that was also a question, and who to go for, what to do, will it be very painful, will the results be there?
So because in the first session I've seen it all. So
Yeah, you know exactly what's happening here.
yeah.
So even if, you know, as I'm coming forward, you can see he's very comfortable. He doesn't even feel anything. So that's how simple and how painless DHI is, and it's literally that simple. Yeah. Okay, he can even probably watch a movie. He can even read a book or listen to the music.
I can be on Facebook.
Yeah.
Chatting with friends
Yeah,
also.
you can chat on Facebook or BBM or whatever you want.
Yeah. You know, also there is a fear when you're going for a hair thing.
Yeah.
A lot of people wonder, will it look real? Is a very big question.
You know, that's actually very interesting because that's one of our main objectives. If you
Yeah.
go by, you know, our three objectives: no pain, no harm. Okay, I
Yeah.
mean the first one, and 100% natural results. Okay, so we stress on this point: 100% natural. Very few people understand why, because even people who get the strip or the FUT and FUE done do get hair growing, but the way they grow, the direction and angle, the way it is bunched up, they put 4s and 5s in the front and it looks like an artificially made hairline, like a straight thing running, okay? It looks artificial. I'm sure you see many people.
I've seen.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
So it just doesn't look good here. Huh? And it doesn't look natural. And people say you've done something. In your case, nobody would really be able to tell.
Correct.
They would say, "Oh, it's your hair looking much better," but they wouldn't be able to say that you've had a restoration or something, yeah.
Correct.
Unless they know about it, of course.
And I do tell people because I think it's something which I should share. It's something that you can do. The others can benefit from it, is what I feel.
Yeah, yeah. I guess you do help us in educating them because that's a very important factor too. Yeah. I guess more people get educated about this and they realize how simple and how effective and how sure it is. They'll opt more and more for it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we're through with the procedure. Everything has gone very well. I think we took around a couple of hours to do it. Gaurav, how are you feeling now?
I'm feeling good, and I was in touch with my friends on my phone, so I was SMSing. So you were busy doing your job. I was having fun.
So you didn't feel any pain, right?
No, I didn't.
I think except for the injection in the beginning.
Anesthesia in the beginning.
The
Got it.
anesthesia.
Yes.
Okay. The important part is no gym for a week, no underwater swimming for a week.
Okay.
Avoid using any gels or dyes for a couple of weeks.
Okay.
The rest you should be okay.
Alright.
You can just go back to resume your normal activities. You can even go for short walks. It shouldn't be a problem at all.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Just I want you to get up now. Get up very slowly.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
No, no, no.
Come. Dr. Sangeeta, can you tell me more about DHI?
Yeah. DHI is basically a form of hair restoration procedure.
Okay.
It stands for direct hair implantation,
Okay.
wherein we take in hair follicles from the back of your scalp and implant it where your concerned area is. Now, this form of hair restoration has started 41 years back. It started from Greece and then it spread to all over the world, like in 33 countries.
33 countries.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And since last 4.5 years, it has been brought to India by Dr. Viral Desai.
Okay.
And in India also now, the trend is such that it's spreading across India also. So we've got many branches coming up in India also. So the reason why is I'm giving you the reason why this DHI is more popular and over other procedures, it is preferred over other procedures is because we follow these three principles here.
Mhm.
There are three pillars of DHI. The
Okay.
first we follow is a no harm technique.
Okay.
That means it's a harmless procedure. In a strip technique or in other FUE techniques, there is cutting, bleeding, stitching and scarring. But in this technique, there is no cuts, no bleeding, no stitches and no scars. Even the post-operative period is completely normal. You can resume your normal daily activities from day one.
From day one.
after the
Okay.
procedure.
Okay.
Secondly, we give you a 100% natural result because it's your own hair roots which are being transplanted.
Okay.
So the texture, the color, the diameter, everything you'll get back the same. Okay. So you can color your dye or you can style your hair as much. As per your needs, you can do it.
Okay.
Okay. And secondly, about the natural result, it's the implanters that we use. They are
Okay.
patent tools. Okay. And while implanting, one should be very careful of the direction and angle of the hair which is transplanted.
Okay.
Now this is not present in other techniques. Okay. When you see the results of other techniques, the hair direction is haywire. Okay. And the skin changes like pitting of skin or the bumps in the skin, they come in other procedures. Whereas here in DHI, due to those implanters, there are no skin changes and the direction and angle of hair is followed.
Oh, okay.
So you give a completely natural look, whether it's in the front or in the middle or at the back of your hair.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay.
And thirdly, it's the maximum density per session. In one session, whatever number of hair required, suppose 2000 or 3000, we try to give you the maximum density in one
one
sitting.
session.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So these are three pillars of
Three
DHI.
pillars of DHI, and this is what it makes different from other techniques.
Oh, alright. Okay. Hi, my name is Gaurav Gera. I'm an actor by profession, and I have been working in television and films for a while now. And my problem was that I was losing hair. My hair had become very scanty, and because of facing the lights every day and everything, my hair was in bad condition. I was losing hair on top of my head. The crown area, especially, was suffering the most. So I consulted a lot of people. I found out a lot about what procedures to go for, and I shortlisted and selected DHI. And I'm very, very happy with the results because it was very painless. It's natural growth. Actually, this is my second session I'm going in for. So my hair is back. It's been like 5-6 months. You can see. I'll show you we can see the pictures before and after. So this area looks much denser, and that is why I'm a satisfied customer, and I've come back again for a second session to fill it up more, and the hair feels really. It is basically your own hair, so it is much more natural. You can shampoo it, style it, you can cut it, you can do anything with it. It's not so there's nothing artificial about it. And the technique, which is a DHI, direct hair implant, is also, as in, I didn't want too many people to know about it, so it can really they just take out individual hair. It leaves no scar at the back of the head. So I can shave my head like if any role requires me to shave my head, I won't have a scar on the back of my head. So this is the latest technology, and I'm very, very happy with it, and I'm happy with the results, and I am back here again for a second session. हेलो, मेरा नाम गौरव गिरा है और मैं DHI कराने आया हूँ. एक सेशन कराने आया था पहले.
Sorry. After your name, give your profession also.
ओह, ओके. हेलो, मेरा नाम गौरव गिरा है और मैं एक एक्टर हूँ. मैं टीवी करता हूँ, फिल्म्स करता हूँ और एंकरिंग करता हूँ. और कुछ सालों में मुझे लग रहा था कि मेरे बाल जा रहे हैं, काफ़ी हल्के हो रहे थे, स्पेशली इन द फ्रंट पोर्शन. सो आई नीडेड सम हेल्प, और मैं यहाँ पे आया था यही पता करने की क्या हो सकता है बालों का. सो आई कंसल्टेड डॉक्टर वीरल, एंड व्हाट वाज द प्रोसीजर ऑल अबाउट. प्रोसीजर में क्या होता है, किस तरह से होता है, पेनफुल होता है कि नहीं होता है. मेरे बहुत सारे सवाल थे, और महंगा होता है, कितने पैसे लगते हैं. सो आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस बेसिकली. सो आई हैड अ मीटिंग हियर, यहाँ पे मीटिंग की, और उसके बाद पता चला कि एग्जैक्टली क्या होने वाला है. सो काफ़ी सारा रिसर्च तो करना ही पड़ता है. आप जब किसी इस तरह के प्रोसीजर में जाते हो, यू फाइंड आउट, यू कॉल अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, अपने दोस्तों को फ़ोन करते हो, आप ऑनलाइन सर्च करते हो. एंड मुझे ये पता चला कि दिस वाज द बेस्ट एक्चुअली, बिकॉज इसमें जो प्रोसीजर होता है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो पुरानी टेक्नोलॉजीज़ है वो अभी पासे हो गया है, और उसके रिजल्ट्स इतने रियल नहीं लगते जितना DHI में होता है. और जो मैंने करा है, विच इज़ लाइक एक एक बाल निकाला जाता है. मैं आपको बहुत क्रूड लैंग्वेज में बताऊंगा, बेसिक लेमैन लैंग्वेज. एक एक बाल को चुन चुन के निकाला जाता है और उसको आगे फ्रंट में शिफ्ट किया जाता है. बेसिकली आपका खुद के बाल है. सो इट ग्रोज नॉर्मली, बिल्कुल नॉर्मल तरीके से उगते हैं, जैसे घास उगती है. सो यहाँ से निकाल के यहाँ डाल देते हैं and it grows normally. You can shampoo it, you can style it, so it is your own hair basically. So procedure इस तरह का है, कुछ महीने लगे हैं मुझे. I have seen some results क्योंकि यहाँ पे मेरा काफ़ी बुरा हाल हो गया था और if we see the before and after pictures, I realized कि इतना फ़र्क है और that was a very good thing. I was very excited और अब मैं जा रहा हूँ एक second session में because मुझे अभी यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा gap भरवाने का I was thinking कि थोड़ा और dense करवा सकता हूँ. So I have come back for another session and that's about it.